Okay, let's go. I've got my CV. Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going grain cart actually. I'm coming off the combine and going on grain cart because it's quite far away. So we need all 4 grain carts on today. So we've got, and we wouldn't keep up even with 1, so there's no point having 2. I've got the drill on my tractor at the moment, so I'm just going to unhook it. So first thing I need to do is put this big stand down. You there? You might be able to see what I'm doing. Linchpin out. Next, I need to take all the pipes out. I haven't had my tractor in, I don't know, 3 or 4 days, and look at the mess of this. I like to keep it nice and clean. Come on, everybody. So I am in a 6R cab, and it just doesn't feel as modern as those G5 screens. See, look at that, and then look at this, the G5 screen. It's so much newer and it's really nice to use. Time for this tractor to have a makeover. Okay, so I've just asked Ben very kindly to go and get the header. So what we're going to do, we're going to unhook it there. We're going to then hook it to the combine in a minute, so the combine can tow it down the road because we're going quite far. It makes sense. So this is the combine PTO, but I think the grease nipples come off it, so I'm going to have to replace it. Okay, actually after all of that, it's a sealed PTO, so you don't actually need to grease it, which is brilliant. Unless the seal goes, then that's the problem. But so next job, now the PTO is back on, you can see by my hands. I'm going to reverse the header, the combine to the header, so we can pick it up. I can see in the combine Mike doing my lights. I can see my hitch, Lucy and Ben behind me, my unloading auger. Seems to be a bit stuck and a bit dirty, so we come to see if he's okay. What's going on, Ben?
That's Joe over there, look at his drone.
Oh, he just messaged me. The pin that holds the knotter in place has come out again.
Oh.
So it's not tying. But luckily, he just gave me a spare bolt just in case this happened.
Nice!
I know, so I'm going to throw that in there instead.
Right, these are not funny, are they?
These are not funny.
Stop it, let Ben get on with his job.
That was a bus.
So someone else trying to still work here, Ben.
I've come to help you on out of hours. Free of charge.
What's going on, yeah?
So these pins here hold the knotter in.
They hold it down.
Yeah.
They hold it down.
Because they're sprung.
However, one has fallen out here.
Got it.
Yeah, so you can see I've put a bolt in there with another one that fell out because I don't have any spare bits. So we're going to put another one in to hold the knot down so it ties some knots for us.
Oh, we don't want no knots in our bales.
No, we need all of them.
We
otherwise
need
they
all the
blow up.
knots.
You are Baler trained now.
Oh,
Billy's taught you well. I've just borrowed Ben's knife and he was like, don't snap it. And I was like, no, don't worry, I won't snap it. And what did I do? Snapped it. I've got to change a new blade on it now, for goodness sake, Eleanor. Trailers are lined up for grain cut today, 4 on. Oh, we got the biggest and the smallest, look. That's funny. Combine's ready. Dan's ready. We are doing something a bit different today. I'm escorting the combine with a pickup. So I'm going to put my stand up. We're going to see people's faces. Okay, let's go. I've got my CB. Everyone can hear me. We're waiting for the combine and we are off. Comes Billy. He's off. Ready, steady. So my role for this job is to warn people I'm in the truck. I've got my big wide loading sign in front, so I drive in front. I drive not on my side, not in the right on the other side, not in the middle, just over, just so it slows people up, gives people a chance to realise that we've got this big machine behind us. So I am there as the warning. So I've got my flashing lights on, I've got my big headlights on, I've got everything on. I'll be flashing, waving out the window. Because we can have accidents in this big with the combine on the road. So I haven't actually done this yet this year because normally Mum does it, but she's not here at the moment, so it's my duty today. So let's see how it goes. Oh, here's Dan. Yeah.
Turn your headlights back one. Turn it off. Turn it on again.
On. Off again. That's off again.
You have the fog light on, that was all on the back. There's the old red on the dashboard to the left of the orange.
All good, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna spin you around and we're gonna record the journey in front, because Mum says it's quite funny sometimes because people are giving her their hands and everything, and she said it might be quite interesting to record to see what people actually do. Mind you, it is a Sunday, so it might be a little bit less quiet on the road, more quiet on the road. We've got a few cars there. Perfect. I get my window open. Uh-oh, here's the chaser. Hopefully we can get by. Oh, he's perfect. He's going up and in. Well done, Sam. That makes it easier. Perfect reversing there. Thank you. It gets a little bit more tricky here now. Look at all the cones. Are we going to make it through with the combine? OMG, it's going to be tight with that. Look. Oh no. Uh-oh, the cars in front's getting a bit angry because I stopped right in the middle of the roundabout to make sure no one comes because Dan is behind me. And the lights I think have probably turned by now because he's going quite slow, but there we go. Hi, if you could just pull over a little bit more if possible. Thank you. I'm not sure. I had to ask them to move. Thank you, everyone. It's all going pretty well so far. Come and explore the Berkshire Farm Girls pumpkin and maze maze. First, you have to enter through the magical maze to find your way to the pumpkin. So let's go. Here on the farm, I've grown many different varieties. Look at this massive white pumpkin. It's all been grown on this family arable farm, all grown by myself. I've also grown some delicious sweet corn. So sweet, which will be available to buy. Spot toys across the pumpkin patch and explore the sunflower graveyard walk. And refreshments will be available at the Welly Cafe. Don't forget to book your tickets now under www.berkshirefarmgirl.co.uk.